Welcome, in front of me is a POCO X3 GT, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. To get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down to show us a bunch of toggles, and we're looking for the power saving toggle, which is located on the second page. You can see it right over here, battery saver. So once you see it, you can click on it. As you can see, it turns the outline, fills it up, and also does the same thing to the battery to signify that it is right now on. Now there is no info on what it actually changes, so you can only assume that it will be doing a couple things in the background. Now the most important one that it might be changing, but I'm not aware of it, will be the disconnection from Wi-Fi on mobile data to obviously preserve the battery. But because of it, you might experience that for instance, email fetching or just notification fetching in general is delayed or just doesn't happen at all when you're not using your device. So if you experience such a thing, just know that this is most likely caused by your battery saver. And once you turn it off, everything will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.